Generating a custom specification with Colortex Barz PET baffles. In this video, we're going to show you how USG Ceiling Techix can generate custom specifications for your project. We'll be starting with this project, which includes Mars acoustical panels, DS bars, and Colortex Barz. Once you're ready to generate custom specifications based on what's in your project, simply click on the Spec and Pricing tab in the USG Techix panel. From this window, you can also generate budgetary pricing for the USG ceilings that are in your project. A new window, or modal, will open, where you can choose which documents you want to download by product, including finish schedule, architectural specs, and data submittal. For our purposes right now, we just want to download the custom spec and finish schedule for all USG ceilings in our project, specifically Mars acoustical panels, DS bars, and Colortex Barz, so we will keep those selected from this window. Next, click Download. Once the download is complete, a pop-up window with a link will open letting you know that your specification package is now available from your Downloads folder. Open that folder and voila! Just like that, you have an editable Word version of your custom specifications and an Excel version of your custom finish schedule based on what's in your project. And that's it. Tune into other videos in this series to learn more about designing made easy with USG Ceiling Techix.